Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. You're cooking with GiGi. So first we're going to shred the zucchini. So I have a zucchini, and what I like to do, because I cut my hands all the time on these cheese graters, is I wear a slicing glove. So we're just going to shred this. There we go. So I've just, as you see, I've taken the liquid out and just kind of squeezed it, and we're going to put some oil in it. And then we're going to put a little onion in here. Just take a little onion and some zucchini. Spread that around a little bit. And what we're going to do is just crack some eggs. We'll do 4 eggs and a little milk. Pepper here, a little pepper here, and some salt. Salt in the eggs. So this is just egg, salt, and pepper right now. Pour some milk in here. It's about a cup of milk. Whisk that around. And then my key ingredient, as you know, is that I love to use fresh nutmeg. We're going to shave some of that right into our egg mixture. And a little fresh parsley. Just cut that in, snip that in. Give that another stir, and we're just going to pour this right into our egg mixture here. And then I'm going to just take a little fresh Parmesan Reggiano that I've already grated, and I'm going to sprinkle a little on top. We are oven ready now, so we're going to put this in the oven at 375 until it is firm and lightly brown on top. So I just took our quiche from the oven, or we call it the Zucchini Frittata as well. We can do this. My daughter loves it with a little bit of parsley and Parmesan cheese on top.